Hello my dear fellow food lovers from the team of Curriestocustard. We are so glad that you found us. Our today's recipe is one of the easiest comfort food that we know of. This super yummy bread pizza gets ready in no time and can be a perfect kids lunchbox recipe or a quick snack. Try out our version of this delicious bread pizza and share your thoughts with us. If you're watching us for the first time, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel Curriestocustard. Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram as well. So let's get started. Alright, so here is the list of ingredients. 4 bread slices of sandwich bread, 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter, half cup of mozzarella cheese that has to be grated, 4 tablespoon pizza sauce, 1/4 cup of onions that has to be sliced, 1/4 cup of capsicum chopped, pickled bell peppers as per your taste, pickled jalapenos as per your taste, 2 tablespoons of seasoning that is a mix of dry basil, dry oregano and black pepper. We would start with spreading some melted butter on a bread slice. Then spread a generous amount of pizza sauce over it. Now top it up with some onion slices, some pickled jalapenos, pickled bell peppers, some capsicum, and a generous amount of grated cheese. And finally, with some mixed Italian herbs. Get all the bread slices ready in the same way. Now preheat the oven for 5 minutes, then place the prepared bread slices on a griller and grill it for 5 minutes. You can totally use a baking tray as well and bake it for the same amount of time at 200 degrees Celsius. Take it out from the oven and let it rest for 2 minutes. Our delicious bread pizza is ready to be served. Enjoy it with your favorite hot or cold drink. Please do try making this recipe and share your thoughts with us. We hope that this recipe comes out great for all of you. Thank you and stay tuned until we meet again. Namaste.